Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross and I'm going to show you how to update the time and date on the entertainment screen. So obviously to do this we're going to go ahead and have our ignition on. No need to have the car started, but you can if you need to. And we can also use the touchpad or we can have the touch screen. Now for the sake of the video it's probably easier for me to show you on the touch screen itself. So you can see mine's actually loaded on the clock screen with the analog clock in the middle, date on the right hand side and the time in digital format on the left hand side. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our home position. That's just come up with a prompt that we're going to agree because that comes up every time. Now there's actually two ways we can get to the clock menu. I'll show you the normal way first, which is hit home, scroll across to the right and then there's settings. So that takes you into the clock settings, but the other way you can do it is just back on the home page. This is a bit of a cheat way. We can actually just tap up there at the clock and it takes you straight to that menu. Now in there we can go to display settings. This is how you want the clock displayed. So do you want it with a digital sort of format, an analog format how I had it, 12 hours, 24 hours, and then equally the different ways that you can read the date as well. When you hit back, we can actually go into time settings. Now this will automatically be set up on auto and that actually gets its time and date from GPS. However, if you're like me and you're actually between time zones, as you can see, that's where I am, you can actually move the time zone around, but you may also want to just go to manual. So in manual, that's where you set the time and date. So we can go into date there and we can just move the date, say backwards and forwards. Then when we hit set up there, that's updated the date. And then we go back, go time adjust, do the same for the time, and then hit set, and that's actually updated the time as well. And then you've got daylight savings time over the right hand side if you want that. And when you hit back or you go back to our clock, there you go, that's the date that I've now manually set. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.